One search stops finding your files. It is more than an inconvenience. In this video, we will explain how to fix Windows Search not working. Search relies on a feature called indexing, which keeps track of your files for fast results. When it breaks, the fix usually involves repairing the index. First, try the simplest step and restart your computer, which resolves many temporary glitches. Run the Build and Search and Indexing Troubleshooter found in Settings under Troubleshoot, as it detects and fixes common problems automatically. If that does not help, rebuild the search index. Search for indexing options, open it, click Advanced, and choose Rebuild. This takes some time as Windows recatalogs your files, but it often fixes stubborn search issues. Make sure the Windows Search service is running by checking the Services window. Sometimes restarting this service alone fixes the problem. Check that the locations you want to search are included in the indexing settings. If search in the Start menu specifically fails, restarting Windows Explorer through the Task Manager can help. Keep Windows updated as fixes for search bugs arrive in updates. Working through these steps restores fast, reliable search, so you can find your files and apps in an instant again.